Hi, I'm James with Spectar, and today we have the opportunity to unbox the Trimble XR10. Let's get started. First thing you're going to notice is your XR10 is protected by a hard-shelled Pelican case. Next thing, Customer Success Manager's business card will be placed on the front of the case. You will also have a TSA-approved lock. And after removing the two latches, you'll notice a custom foam insert to protect your XR10. So first thing, you're going to have your XR10 with the battery pack attached and pre-charged. Comes with two 6-foot USB cables, a double USB wall outlet adapter, a Milwaukee USB extended battery pack with charging cable, TSA approved lock, and sanitation wipes. So now we're going to show you how simple the XR10 attaches onto your MSA V-Guard hard hat. You'll have your audio device attached to the ratchet system to the rear. And to reattach, align the brackets and simply pinch together. Next, we're going to talk about the button features on your XR10. You'll have the brightness buttons on the left side, brightness up, brightness down. On the right side of the headset, you'll have volume up and volume down. Moving to the rear of the device, you'll have the power button, 5 indicator lights, USB-C port. You'll have your power button for your audio device and your USB-C port for your audio device in the rear. Now you are job site ready with your XR10 with Spectar.